What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's take some time to talk about XRP and my newly developed exit plan that I just built because of the fact that I did buy more XRP. And people have been asking me about whether, like how short term this is actually going to be in the position that I bought. And I wanted to explain what that is. And the best way to do that is by showing you what my exit plan will be for the 3,348 XRP that I do hold. So let's talk about this. Let's have a discussion. I know there's some people that are, maybe tired of exit plans, but honestly, I'm trying to make sure you guys understand that exit plans are what is the most important piece of your investing strategy. You can buy all that you want. You can find the best places to purchase it. You can find the best places to hold, but eventually you have to sell that position and you have to find the right time for you to sell the position. It doesn't always mean that it's going to be the absolute best exit price. Like you're going to basically have Terra Luna Classic from where you are right now and sell everything at $1. That's not really the case, right? You're not going to sit here and sell absolutely everything at the peak point because it's going to be tough for you to do that. Right? It's like having, $1,000 in your pocket and it's burning a hole in your pocket, or you're very nervous walking around with $1,000 in your pocket. You're still going to be nervous with, 100 or 200 or, $1 million that's sitting into one play versus everything else that you may not have that much in. You're like, well, maybe I should diversify. So you start doing that. But the point is that you want to make sure you have yourself a good exit strategy. And the way that you do that is by maybe building a spreadsheet, maybe writing it down, doing whatever you can. Now, if you guys want this exit plan spreadsheet, again, this is over in my Patreon. The link will be down in the description for my Patreon. At any level, you'll be able to get this exit plan spreadsheet, and you can build it for yourself and do all the different things that you need to do. If you have any troubles or issues with the spreadsheet, feel free to reach out to me directly on Patreon through messages. You can reach out to me through communities, as well as through the Discord side of it, too. So let's go into XRP a little bit. Let's not waste any time and let's just jump right into the exit plan. So this is my exit plan spreadsheet. It was built in Excel, and that's how you guys have the full Excel spreadsheet that's there. Hopefully you guys are following along as you can go through, but I do break down exactly how to use this. Mainly you have price, you have starting coin count, you have the unrealized gain, the coin sold, which is the portion that you would fill in. Then you have realized gains and you have market cap. So let me actually maybe increase this just a slight bit so I can see it a little bit more. And over here, you have my coins, so the coins that you hold, and then you also have the circulating supply. Now, this is the updated circulating supply as of today, which is November 30th, 2023. So if you're seeing this way in the future, just know that the supply may be different and you may have different market caps based on that because of the supply chains. They add 1 billion coins every single month. Now, my plan, just to kind of throw things out there, my plan is not to become an XRP millionaire. I know a lot of other people that have a decent amount, tens of thousands. And it's great that you have that much, that you have, thousands upon thousands of dollars that are invested into XRP and you really believe in that position. I only have about $2,000 invested into it, but I know there's a lot of people that have or want to have an exit plan, associated with that. So just to let you know, I'm not looking to become an XRP millionaire. However, if things do get to a point where whatever I'm holding in the end ends up becoming to that point, that's fantastic. But know that on this spreadsheet, I believe I end up selling majority of it, if not all of it, throughout this whole entire process, because I don't like to be greedy. And people may say I'm selling myself short, but I really don't like to be greedy. So if we go through this exit plan spreadsheet, the current price is around 60 cents. Now at 60 cents, it's valued about $2,019 and it's at a $32 billion market cap. So definitely starting at the higher side when it comes to a coin that you're really looking for an exit plan on, or looking to gain maybe millions of dollars on. I'm not going to end up selling anything until I get to, $1.50. $1.50 is nowhere near the ultimate high, but as it does get to $1.50, I have $1,000 that I just invested into there, and I want to be able to take my initial investment while also leaving some coins in there. So before this, I had a 1,655. So if I get to a point where I double that investment, I'm only going to take out 1,000 coins. And that will give me $1,500, which would be $500 over what I invested. Now I'll be able to put that back into my bank account, not worry about that. And it will be a short-term play. So it could be, next month, it could be the beginning of the year that we end up seeing that hit. And if it's somewhere, around, if it looks like it's continuing to increase up to $2, I may get closer to $2 and then sell that 1,000. But right now, at $1.50, 1,000 is what I'm going to sell there. And that would leave me with 2,348. Now, as we go down the list, we'll see this hit a level of $2. I won't do anything. See it hit a level of maybe $4, where it will be a $215 billion market cap. I feel as though it can definitely get there. I will sell 250, which is another 1,000, a total of 2,500 that I'll end up gaining. Then you have $5, where it will be a value of 269 billion. I'll take another $1,000, which would be 200 coins. Now, as we scroll down here, we would see 750, so $7.50, where I would take 300, be 2,250. $10, I would take 500, which would be $5,000. So that's where I would start really ramping up and seeing a decent size that I would be taking at that point. The total that it would be for there would be $10,750 that I would have all the way up until $10. And I know some people may make a lot more, but hopefully other things run as well, because I have a lot of money in other plays that I'm really strong in now, and that aren't at a $32 billion market cap to start. Now, if we see as we are growing, we see this hit a level of $20. And that's kind of where I see like reality ending. And I understand how reality can go a lot further than that, but that's what I'm looking for. So majority of that will come out. So 300 coins, $6,000. As you go to a level of $50, if it does find a way to get there, 200 coins at $10,000. Then at $100, it would be 100 coins at $10,000. At $500 per coin, it would be 100 coins at $50,000. Then 750, 100 coins at $75,000. $1,000, it would be 98 at $98,000, right? 3,000, I would end up getting 150. 5,000, I would take 250, and that's pretty much all that I have left. Now, that's really my plan. The total amount, so if we're looking at reality, expectation, and max profit, it would be $16,750 for reality. Expectation would be 44,250. So the different prices that you would get to. So for reality, a level of like $20 is kind of that reality for me, a $1 trillion market cap. But then expectation, you go further, you see a $5.3 trillion market cap at, I will end up getting $44,000 a total. And then max profit all the way until the end where we see $10,000. Well, for me, it would be 5,000. I would take $667,000. Now, this is all of this is just speculative. I like to make sure that I have a reality, I have an expectation, I have max profit. You can set whatever you believe reality is. You can set whatever you believe expectations are and whatever the max profits are for you. But it's different for every other person. You might see it only hitting a $5 price. And if that's the case, then you end up making that move accordingly based on what that $5 price or $10 price, or you see a $10,000 price, whatever. So make sure you guys use the spreadsheet down below. I think it's very important to have your own exit plan spreadsheet. And again, I'm not looking to become an XRP millionaire off of this. I know some people are. I'm not. I'm just looking for a decent sized gain within this, protecting my initial investment early on, and then how comfortable I can get depending on the different things that are implemented. This may end up changing. So if we end up seeing things that really come into play and we see things that start to skyrocket and XRP goes to a way higher level that's just unfathomable, then yeah, I don't take as much. And instead of taking 100, I take 50. Instead of taking 50, I take 25, and all of those, areas there. So that's my opinion. That's where I stand. Let me know what yours is if you followed that spreadsheet down below, or if you're just going to basically say, you know what, I'm not following any of this, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything that's here. And when it gets to a value of $1,000, I'm going to go ahead and sell 1,000. And then when it gets to a value of $5,000, I'm going to sell 1,348. And then when it gets to a value of $10,000, I'm going to sell another 1,000. And then you end up becoming an XRP millionaire, seeing $17.7 million here within your spreadsheet. I know that most people will take that greedy way out and just go, okay, I'll wait till it hits 1,000 or 5,000 or $10,000. But what about some of these other levels? It hit $1 million at $300 of a price point. It hit, $100,000 all the way up here at a $30 level. Are you not taking the $100,000? Are you not taking $200,000? What are you doing at those points? Because it may take a while. Let me know your opinion down below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.